Now England has to become Jerusalem as promised by William Blake. But how many have any regard for William Blake? I was amazed. I wanted to find out his burial place where he was buried and what was the tomb they erected for him. And in a forlorn place, somewhere EC1, in a most neglected place, he's laid down there, just neglected. It's so sad. Who thought of England to be Jerusalem one day, the holiest of holy, is laid down there, neglected, everybody walking on his tomb, nobody respecting him. That's what England is today. But if William Blake had died in India, I can tell you this much, there would have been thousands sitting there. Take it from me. Even today in India, a saint is respected. Much more than the king and the queen. Much more. Thousands would be there. It's a sign of our development, of our understanding of it. But we have such great seekers here that one day this country has to also become Jerusalem, and where people will regard the highest thing as the spirit, highest thing as the divine vibrations or the divinity, what we call the Ritambhara Pragya. That's what day has to come. But people have to get out of their mental projections where they are still entangled. I have worked the hardest in England. For the last nowhere, not in India or anywhere, because I know England is very important. It is the heart of the universe. But the seekers in England are lost quite a lot, and we have to bring them back to their normal senses and make them understand their responsibility. Because if the heart fails, everything will fail, and the whole circulation of this has to go through heart. Luckily, my husband was elected 4 times, and now we'll be here altogether 16 years. 16 solid years I'll be working in this country altogether. So I hope you people will realize how important it is to me to be in England, and that's how we all in England should work very hard. The people who are not Sahajogis must become Sahajogis, and the Sahajogis must become real Sahajogis and not just talking Sahajogis. Try to become discreet, and this is when it will happen. People will see you, how great you have become, and then only they will realize that it's the right path they have to follow. May God bless you.